Hello, this is just a really quick basic video to show you how to print the same line multiple times in Python. For this, we're going to use a simple for loop. All you have to do is type for n in range. Let's say we want to type this 1,000 times. We'd say 1 to 1,000. This would actually print it 999 times because Python counts from 0. Then we would just say print hello world, or anything you want really, and it will print hello world 1,000 times. Well, 999. Also, this doesn't have to be n, it could be x, still works, z, any variable really. We also don't have to just print hello world, we could actually print the numbers themselves. So instead of hello world we just put print n, and that will print up to 999. Spider won't show all the numbers, but we can show that it is counting to 1,000 minus 1. We do range 1 to 100, print n, and that will print 1 to 99.